How to contact Tonkeeper Wallet customer support team. If you want to report an issue or request something else to Tonkeeper Wallet's customer support team, you can use different methods to contact them. First, make sure that you're already logged into your account. Then open your Tonkeeper Wallet app. At the dashboard page, you'll see a gear icon at the top right corner. Tap it and it will direct you to the settings option. Just scroll down until you find the Support and Contact Us button. Method 1 is the Telegram support bot that you can find on the support button on the app. Reach out to their support bot on Telegram. If you already have a Telegram app, you can launch the Telegram support bot right away. Method 2 is contacting them via email. Just type your concerns or issues, send it to them, and wait for their response. The last method is to visit their help center by searching it online for common questions and support documentation. And that's basically how to contact Tonkeeper Wallet's customer support team. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.